In this chat, I'm breaking down the real deal on choosing the best asphalt shingles for your roof, especially when you're stuck between Owens Corning True Definition, CertainTeed Landmark, and GAF Timberline HDZ. So here's the scoop. All three brands toss around that 30-year lifespan claim, which honestly is pretty standard in the asphalt shingle world, but there are some subtle differences to keep an eye on. You'll want to think about things like algae resistance. Some offer 10 years, some up to 25, which can be a game changer if you live somewhere humid or rainy like western Pennsylvania. Wind resistance ratings also come into play. CertainTeed claims 110 miles per hour, while the others boost it up to 130. But unless you're in a hurricane zone, that difference might not be a huge factor. The key here is how well the contractor installs your roof system, because even the best shingles won't hold up if they're slapped on wrong. Each contractor being a certified installer means they're trained on that specific manufacturer's system, which is good, but don't just trust certification blindly. Check their reviews and past work. Honestly, if you want my 2 cents, Owens Corning tends to stick to their warranty promises better than the rest, and CertainTeed's Landmark line is solid too. GAF is known for killer marketing but doesn't always back it up with the best product performance in the field. At the end of the day, focus on finding a rockstar roofer who knows their stuff over stressing about which brand name is best, because a bad install will tank any roof faster than you can say leak. One of the biggest mistakes people make when picking shingles is getting caught up in the brand hype instead of prioritizing quality installation and local climate suitability. Another common issue is ignoring the warranty details, like how algae resistance coverage varies or what voids the warranty if the roof isn't maintained properly. And don't forget about wind resistance ratings. Some folks assume higher numbers always mean better protection, but if your area rarely hits those speeds, it's not worth paying extra just for that. A simple fix? Ask your contractor for references and proof of past work in your neighborhood to see how their installations hold up over time. Also, don't skimp on regular roof maintenance like cleaning gutters and inspecting for damage after storms. Lastly, be wary of contractors pushing only one brand because of rebates or incentives. They might not have your best interest at heart. Instead, look for someone who explains options clearly and doesn't rush you to decide. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing, so you can avoid the headache of sifting through unreliable options online. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by matching them with real projects in their area, making it a solid win-win if you're looking to get your roof done right without all the fuss.